Alright, I wish it was an April Fool's joke, but it wasn't. We have a enhanced risk for severe weather just issued by the SPC for much of central PA, where I am here in State College. So I was thinking about chasing today, but I'm telling you, it is so nice, the view is so great, and these storms are going to be so widespread. We are camping out. I actually have the tripod, going to get a killer, maybe 1 hour time lapse as these things just come over the horizon. Can't even see them yet. They're in eastern Ohio, just crossing into western PA. It's about 12:30. Storms are flying, probably 60, 70 miles per hour. I mean, it's extreme dynamic, so you'd expect that. They'll be here about 3:30 as I time it out. 4 p.m., something in that ballpark. We're here for the wind bag. I'm hoping for 60 mile per hour winds up here again. I mean, could even go stronger, to be honest. We'll have to see, but it looks widespread, and I mean, just a little above the surface layer. We're already feeling, I don't know, probably some 20 gusts. Winds are just going to pick up this afternoon. And it's going to be windy also behind, I think we're in a high wind warning, or at least on the edge of a high wind warning for synoptic winds. Alright, so we're probably going into time-lapse mode. Stuff's probably an hour away now. You can see it just beginning to show up, but it's moving like 80 miles per hour, so wind is definitely picking up, and there's a lot of like 50 to 60, 70 mile per hour reports, so going to be going into time-lapse mode pretty soon, but it's looking really good. We're kind of getting split a little bit. Notice all the thunder is way north of us with the better dynamics there. I kind of thought that would happen. But that's kind of also good because it means I can kind of stand outside and not like it's very windy. There are some deeper cells in the cold further southwest over Pittsburgh, secondary line kind of. Those actually have hail and also severe thunderstorm warning. So I've seen all this haze flying around. I think you can see all these bits flying around. I was kind of confused. See, it's kind of hazy, but like dew points in like the 30s. That's actually pollen, guys. We actually have a little bit of pollen storm going on. But yeah, there's a lot of like little stuff flying in there. So there's obviously big wind being picked up. It's west and like southwest. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, now that's tropical storm conditions. Wow. Okay. Yep, 50. Yep, that was 45 or 50 right there. First big gust of the day. I want 70 though. I want 70. I will hold on if I need to. Big tree moving down there. It looks like we have gusts probably close to 40 even the ground. Wow. The line isn't even here yet. I think this is synoptic wind. Wow, tropical storm conditions, guys. This is probably going to be the highest winds I've ever seen in my 4 years in State College. Just going to wager that. But this is high wind warning stuff. This is not convective. This is non-convective. This stuff is still off to the west. Oh wow, dude, power went out. Power's out, dude. Power went out already. Power's out on campus. I just got the text. So that's the squall itself. Maybe a baby shell cloud is pretty visible. It's not high reflectivity, but it's got the structure. So, State College radar, 200 feet up from a measurement route right there, was sampling 64 mile per hour winds at 200 feet. And this environment, if you can eyeball it, is about 200 feet, maybe closer to 150. But no, we're up there, so more or less, I can be expecting sustained 65 mile per hour winds. I mean, that might include gusts, but let's say 65 mile per hour winds, more or less. So, yeah. Alright, so severe thunderstorm warning is out for all of Center County, including, of course, here in State College, Pennsylvania. 70 mile per hour tag, no less. So we can expect 70. So, and I mean, if anyone's getting 70, then it's up here. So. Oh my god, dude, meteors are insane. Do you know the temperatures right now? It's 73 degrees. It's 73 over 39 right now. Okay, something's going on. Wind's picking up. I hear it. Did you hear that? So these are all southwesterlies because we're coming over the building. Huge tree came down your fort building. Yeah, we don't have damage to come down. 60 gusts. Yeah, this is around 60. I want all the wind. I want all the wind. Trees down over there. Go outside of campus, trees are down. I'm getting all the texts right now. I think we're getting the wow. Hold on. This is it right here. Let's do this little flag over here. See this guy? This guy's having a hard time. Looking at that flag down there, that's upstream from where we are. Looking down there to 55, 60 gusts. Some days are probably over 60, like this one. It's not over 60. 70? Beaver Stadium is gusted to 68 miles per hour. Just got that in. Beaver Stadium, 68 mile per hour gust. And Beaver, they're right over there. In fact, I think the weather station's on top, the little Denny line is, and I think they are close to our height. They might even be a little higher than us. I don't know. They're similar 200 feet above boundary layers. So I don't know. If they're gusting 68, we're gusting 68. All right, we got gusts near 70 miles per hour. We got gusts flirting at 70 miles per hour, and it makes sense because the radar beam height 200 feet was sampling 63 mile per hour winds, and that was just a single spot I found. It might even be higher elsewhere. All right, we're in a thunderstorm right now. These drops are very big. So this is round 2. We moistened up the boundary layer a little bit, and it's got a nice CG a few miles away. But is there even wind? Oh wow, it got really cold. These drops are blurring a pea-sized tail. Not a lot of wind. All right, next line back. We'll see if we can get anything out of it. I think I'm gonna be out that long because it's gonna get wet pretty fast, but it's here. See if there's any more wind we can possibly mix down. Wow, that's more wind now. Yeah. Oh, yep, these are the 50 gusts. Wow. Let's go stand on this, it's crazy. Wow. Okay, that's enough water for me. 50 gusts. Instead, we got a very kind of synoptic, non-convective wind event out ahead of some power showers, and then following that, we're just getting low top convection. It's mixing down infrequently some wind. We actually we got thunder today, which is cool. Did get thunder, but it wasn't really in the way expected. I was and none of the models hit on this. I mean, I think the HER was like lead line, maybe a few trailing cells, as we call it air advect, but both models were showing a lead squall and at least getting down to the I-80 corridor, if not all of Pennsylvania, and that didn't happen at all. I mean, things were looking good. Ohio, Western PA, and then State College bubble, I guess, happens and it just weakened, but it didn't matter because as they weakened, that momentum transfer just took all the wind to the surface, so we still kind of won, even though the storms were quote dying. But gonna wrap it up here. It's just some low topped stuff. No one really cares about this not being the wind of before, so